Good morning, students. Welcome back to the third part of Science, chapter number 11, How We Get Energy. Today we are going to learn about the sun, the solar energy, solar cookers, solar heaters, solar cells. So let us begin our topic. The sun. Thousands of years ago, when we ate raw flesh and gathered food from the forest, the sun was our only source of energy. It helped us keep warm during the day and to dry things, including food. Above all, it gave us and still gives us all our food. The sun is the ultimate source of energy on earth. The energy of the sun is called solar energy. We get solar energy in the form of heat and light. The heat of the sun provides us warmth. Among all the living things on earth, the plants are the only organisms to make their own food. Now I am going to show you the picture of a leaf of a plant. The green leaf is the kitchen of a plant. Just as we add oil, spices, salt and raw vegetables to make a delicious curry, in the same way plants use carbon dioxide from air, water from soil and sunlight to make their food. The food is used by the plant for its growth and other functions. Some part of the food is stored in their roots, stems, seeds, etc. When we eat fruits and other things that plants give us, we make use of this stored food. Even when we eat things that animals give us, example milk, meat, eggs, etc., we use the food stored by plants because some animals eat plants. So the energy we get from food comes from solar energy. In this picture, grasses, an apple tree and a rice field is shown. All these different plants use sunlight to make their food. In the first example, the cow eats grass and gives us milk. We drink milk and get energy. This energy comes from solar energy indirectly. In the second example, we eat an apple from the apple tree. So, we get the solar energy directly in this case. In the third example, a hen eats the rice grains and lays eggs. When we eat eggs, we get the energy of the sun indirectly. Now, an important question arises here. Do we use solar energy in any other way? We dry wet clothes and some kinds of food like red chilies, raisins, pulses, etc. in the sun. We use solar energies in other ways too. We use it to cook food in solar cookers. This is the picture of a solar cooker. A solar cooker changes the solar energy into heat which is used to cook food. The food is cooked inside the utensil. This is the picture of a solar water heater. A solar heater heats water and saves electricity. Now children, there is an activity given in your book. You can make a solar oven using a shoe box or a pizza box. The directions to make the solar oven is given in a stepwise manner. But please take the help of an adult to do so. Now let us discuss about the solar cells. Solar cells are cells that make electricity from sunlight. That is, these cells can change solar energy into electricity. Some calculators, toys, etc. run on solar cells, and people in many villages use solar lamps that run on solar cells. You can see these circular structure. These are solar cells. Many solar cells are connected or joined together to form solar panels. These rectangular structures are solar panels. These are used for street lighting, working traffic lights, and supplying electricity to homes, offices, hospitals, etc. So dear children, I hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you.